Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can set up an abandoned cart email on Shopify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on my Shopify dashboard and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of these sections. Here you're going to find the home section, orders, products. Here you're going to find customers, content, and analytics. And here you're going to find marketing and discounts. Here under sales channels, you're going to find online store and also point of sale. And lastly, here you're going to find your applications. So right now, go ahead and click on marketing. Once you click on marketing, here under it, you're going to find campaigns and also automations. So what you need to do guys right now is click on automations and then you're going to be right here. Automatically communicate with your customers across multiple platforms. So go ahead and click on view templates. And then once you do that, right here, you're going to find all of these templates. And as you can see, guys, in order to be able to create a marketing automation, you need firstly to upgrade your trial plan. So if you only have a trial plan like me, make sure you upgrade your plan to be able to add automations. So right now, I'm going to go back to automations page. So basically, guys, right here, you're going to find all of these choices. And right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find the option to add an abandoned cart. Remind customers they left items in their shopping cart. So just choose this template and then you're going to be able to set it up. So once you set it up, you're going to always find it here in the automation page. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.